I'm going to show you how to use the ITOUCH massage gun. So getting started with the massage gun, you'll notice at the bottom there's an on and off switch as well as a charging port. The first step will be to switch the unit on, and automatically you will see the display will light up. On the right hand side is your display for the battery life, and on the left hand side will be your gear display, which is at the moment showing you off. The next step after that is simply take one of the heads, place it inside, make sure that it is snug inside, and the last thing that you need to do is press the on button. You then see it's on intensity level 10. It will then increase up until 22. As you can see, the level is increasing. So once you've got the massage gun in motion, your next step will be to apply it to any different area of your body. Right now I'm using the ball head onto my elbow. And just remember guys, you do not have to apply too much pressure, as soon as you put it onto your body, you start to feel the effect. And as you can see, I'm doing a circular movement, which is going to be good for blood circulation, or just keep it straight on one particular spot. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press the middle button over there. You're then going to remove the head, take the shovel head, make sure that it's snug in there, and press start again. You're then going to be using it onto your legs, which is very good for the calves and also for varicose veins, poor circulation, joint pain, and also high blood and diabetes. Like I showed you, stop the unit, take out the head, connect another one in like this, press play, and then use it onto your back, which is very good for the neck and the shoulders.